All right, I am recording. Who's explaining?
Pick the number.
All right.
Did you say the number? Select the
I
number.
said 2, and you guys were 1.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry, it was in the middle
That's
of the
right.
story. I was all over the place.
Oh my god. How do we do this?
Okay.
You want to subtract 8 from
You fly
both
now.
sides. Oh, yeah. Yes. And then divide 4. N is less than or equal to 2. And then you're going to leave the separate, you're going to do the other side, so that's separate. So you're going to divide, subtract 7. And subtract 7 from both sides. Get negative 18. Oh. Okay, yeah. That works. And then you're going to divide negative 3 from both sides. Yeah. And then n. Oh, yeah. Connor's doing it backwards. Yeah. N is greater than 6.
Why'd you switch the sign?
Divide by negative.
When you divide by a negative, you switch the sign.
Or multiply by a negative. Either one works.
Or multiply by a negative. Overall negatives. And then you want to do your number line. Don't forget that. Six, 2, 0. You're going to have a closed circle over the 2 and pointing towards the left. And then you're going to have an open circle over the 6 pointing towards the right.
Beautiful. Does everybody understand why the 0 isn't between the two numbers?
Yes.
What? And they're both positive. All right, go get prizes, you two. Nice job.
Yeah.
All right, we got one more left.
Yes. No. You got that one.
No.
Okay, you want the 0.
All right, example 4, last one. This one is a weird one, so do it with me, please. 4k plus 12 is less than 2, or 4 minus 2k is greater than 4. All right, I'm going to do this one with you because it's weird, and you'll see why. We're going to start on the one on the left. Just shout it out. What's the first thing I should do?
Subtract 12.
Subtract 12. Subtracting 12 from both sides. 4k is less than negative 10. Okay, now what? Divide by 4. K is less than, anybody do that in their head? 10 divided by 4? 2.5. Negative 2.5, yep. Okay, or we're going to do the other one now. What should I do first? Subtract 4 from both sides. So now I've got negative 2k is greater than 0. And then? Divide by a negative 2. If you have 0 on the top, is that 0 as an answer or no solution as an answer? 0. So this is k is greater than 0.
No, wouldn't it be less than?
Right? You did get me. All right, who said that first?
Well, I had it written.
Oh, that's impressive. Connor.
Jane said it at the same exact time.
I don't think you did, but I will give you both prizes. Go get prizes. Okay. All right, so now what we're going to do is draw a number line. All right, so here is my 0, and here's my negative 2.5. Open or closed?
Open for both.
Open for both. Okay. Which way should I go on the negative 2.5?
Left.
Left, because it's less than. And which way should I go on the 0?
Left.
Left. Now, do you see how one of these already takes care of the other? Because if everything to the left of 0 is an answer, then we already know that everything to the left of negative 2.5 is an answer. So there are occasionally situations where just one answer would do. You could have both of them on there. It doesn't hurt anything. But it's not always going to be both in or both out. Okay? All right, your homework is, and it is due tomorrow. You've got the rest of the hour to work. page 363. It's gonna be a huge assignment. It's a huge one. 2 through 16 evens. Whew. Good luck, guys. That's a solid 8 problems right there. Okay, so you may, I'm not gonna boss you around with your work today. You can stay with your partner or you can split up your call. But you do have to work.